I gotta move up now. Use my flip line. So I'm basically grabbing the tree and the flip line and just kind of slowly and peacefully moving up. I left that stub there because I knew it's not gonna cause any kind of hang up if I piece something down. Okay, Nathan, stand back. I'm gonna free fall a little tiny one here. Alright, moving on up. Yep, get the slack out of my line. Moving back on a little bit. Alright, when I get up there, I'm gonna get my my rope that's on the back of me coiled up a little more, because I don't want to stick my foot through that loop and get all hung up and stuff. That's where patience comes in. Good. So what I'll do is I think I'm going to flip into here. Yeah, I think I'm going to take this limb because I like where I can flip in right here. I'm still going to alleviate as much weight as I can. Okay. So I'm upright. Okay. The slack out of here, like I said I was going to do. All right. So this is nice because it keeps me balanced. So if I follow the right, I'm not going to go anywhere. Okay, let's fix this. Just want to add to my rope because it's dangling down there. I don't like that. I like to have my stuff nice and coiled up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just set a couple things up here, and I'm good with this tip. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3 off, Nathan, and then we'll take the tip, okay? But I'm gonna lower these down to you. Getting comfortable here. All right. Let's see here. Take this one right here. We'll go right here. Alright, there. And then I'm going to come to here because it's not too. I'm going to come to this limb where I'm flipped into. Okay, that's just a small one right there. So I'm not even worried about it. It's just a small one, but I'm getting rigging set up. Okay, I'm gonna lower one down to you, alright? I'm just gonna handsaw this. I can handsaw this. No problem. Just gonna handsaw it. Put this one right in front of me. Just fine. I'll send one more small one down to you. I just handsaw this one too. Little face cut out there. Nice and smooth. Little face cut. Here we go. Speed cut. Alright. Just let it go down. Keep it down. So I'm already thinking ahead here. And now I'm going to have a stub here. Okay. handsaw comes in. Alright. So this handsaw gives you about another 1.5 feet of reach. So that's what I want right there. A little 1.5 feet of reach. Look at that. That's why that's important. Okay. So I know what's going to happen. I got it draped over that, which would be fine. I mean, it's a good habit not to get into things going over limbs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one in first. Okay. And I'll put this one in second. Okay. So what that's done is it's caused a double up effect. Okay, Nathan, I'm going to send one down to you. Okay. See how that works right there? See how that works? See how this is connected to here? You got to make sure it's running right. Okay, I'm just going to have you pull the green rope for right now, and I'm going to set the blue line so we can take a big piece. Alright, so what I need to do is I need to get set up comfortably here to take that big old limb. So what I want to do is I want to cut these stubs off, and then we'll use that right there. That limb's probably 150 pounds, okay? I'm looking where I'm going to make my cut and where I'm going to set my block. Nathan, I got to cut off a couple stubs. Okay, so when we do make the cut, just keep it running, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's where I'm going to set my line right here. Okay? So I need to set my blue rope in a spot where I know if it does slip, it's going to be okay. So I need to get it pretty far. So where I'm going for is on, oh yeah, I see it. There's a broken off stub on the back here. Alright. So what I'm trying to do is get the lasso, and I can grab it with my flip line. There it goes. That's what I wanted right there. Just hook it around that stub if you can. Alright, and getting ready to grab it, reach out. That's a good spot for that right. So what I'm going to do is I've got this set on top right now because I want to make an undercut, and as soon as I get it, I'm going to roll that around so it's on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to make an undercut, Nathan, but here's the deal, right? Don't pull down on the rope at all. I'll make my undercut, and then I'll get it situated underneath, and then I want you to take 2 wraps, and then just as it comes off, feed it, okay? We want it to keep going. Okay, stand by. Look at that water. Look at that water pouring out of that. It's because of that freaking broken off stub right there. Look at that. That's some nasty stuff right there. That means that's hollowed out. That means like eventually that whole piece would have broke off. You know, could have hit somebody. Yeah, 2 wraps. And what I don't want to happen, see this right here? This thing springs really, it's going to hit me right in the freaking chest, and that's going to hurt like a son of a gun. So I'm cutting that off. At least it won't hurt so bad if it does that. Okay. Let me know when you're ready, Nathan. What happened to feeding it, brother? That's why I said walk it to the break. Okay, it's all good. Sometimes you have to. See, what I want him to do is as it coming off, start walking to the brake so it loosens the slack up and he can have a little feed action. But my bad, I guess there's just too much friction on everything. But I'd rather have him not burn his hands down there than me take a little ride. That's fine. See how that works right there? I took a pretty good ride because that thing took a full swing and hit the tree. Okay, what I'm going to do is I've got to go down so I can take a chunk off. I mean, I probably could dump it in the lawn, but I don't want to punch a big hole in the lawn. Okay, I'm just going to nicely and slowly move down this, and I'm just pulling down on my Gregory, and that's lowering me. I'm going to take my flip line, I'm going to get it underneath and flip back in. Okay, that out on your flip line. Alright. So what we'll do is we'll just take this piece right here. I got to get comfortable here where I'm rock solid. Oh yeah, so that feels good. That feels good. I'm gonna let out a little tiny bit. Yeah, right there. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll set that right there on the back side. Then I'll take the lowering rope and I'll set it right here. Alright, I'll tighten it up. Alright, and then I'll put this right here because I'm going to make an undercut. I'm going to put this on the other side of the stub. Alright. Over here. That's what we want right there. Right freaking there. Okay. We're going to take a chunk of wood off and we're just going to do one wrap, okay? And wait until you can get it all set, but just I got to make a cut and then we'll tighten it up, okay? And so what I need Nathan to do for my safety is I need him to make sure that this thing feeds, because if I don't, it's going to come flip right up and it could tag me. Alright, but I'm going to cut this stub off too first. I got to cut a stub off, just stand by. Heads up. Coming at you. Okay, go ahead and take a wrap, Nathan. Make sure everything looks lined up so you can feed it real nice. You watching it? Okay, I'm just gonna free fall some stuff. Okay, when I cut, so what I want to do is I want to try to get it to go this way. I don't want to damage the lawn, but you know, it's freaking dangerous up here. So what I'll do is I'll use my handsaw, give it a little assist. All right. Nice and cozy, just dropping down. Not going to take anything too big and crazy. I'll just take 2 pieces, nice piece of firewood.